Namaste student, I Chairman Dr. Veena Diwan. Today's our topic is Factory Inspectors Power Section 9. In the local limits assigned to him, an inspector reserves the authority to enter a factory with an assistant who is employed by the government or local or public officers or a professional. Second, examine the plant, machinery, machines, articles, substances on premises. Look into accidents or any threatening eventualities that have or could give rise to injuries on the body and or lead to disabilities. He reserves the right to question any individual considered helpful in reaching to the bottom of the findings. Receive any register or document that the prescribes that is connected to the factory. Second, take hold of copies of all registers, records and any other documents and portion that he deems to be a necessity in any offences stated in the act that has been committed. Third, give the order that any occupiers of the factory premises should refrain from trespassing stated areas, be it generally or particularly, for as long as it is required for the regions of examination stated in clause 2nd. Acquire samples, measurements, recording, photos, and any equipment or instrument he deems direct any articles or substance in any place that seems to be the cause or has the possibility of causing harm to the safety or health of workers to be dismantled or take it. Process of testing with the permission to destroy it only if it is mandatory in accordance to this act. He may also take the article or substance into custody for the required duration of time for the completion of the examination. Make use of any other authority as may be given. Any other rules that may be formed by the state government hold the mentioned authorities of an inspector subject to them. An inspector also reserves the authority to inquire for the medical examination of a suspected minor working in a factory, section 75. Collect sample or substances that are used and or are said to be used in a factory with the objective of determining whether the substance is harmful